This is absolutely incredible. I am standing, so is Ghost. This was probably the high point, right about where I'm standing. It's all the way down there. So let's go take a walk. Okay, we got our dikes back. Probably gonna have to get worked on by the conservation. There's the bathrooms. All this muck come in. See the little frogs? And they are frogs, they're not toads. God dang, look at them all. I'm gonna back off. About broke my neck. Anyway, that's where it's at. There's the double doors. There's that pole we gotta go around. We're gonna start seeing some land, some roads and stuff pretty soon, I think. Down here. This is cool. You couldn't see that pole before, you can see her now. So yeah, this is Jefferson City Flood Part 3. And we're getting better and better. It's June, I don't know, 18th, whatever the day is. So I'm gonna turn this off real quick. I'm gonna take some pictures, then we'll head back up to the bike. I wanted to get down deeper, but that mud's too thick. So, okay.